Hi friends, welcome to CSDO. I'm Sahiba and I have one of my great friend and she is from Manipur. What do you do and what's your name first of all?
My name is Twingam Loze and I'm a makeup
Lawson.
artist. Yeah.
Oh, wonderful makeup artist. Doesn't it sound interesting, friend, when someone is a makeup artist and they are all across here in Delhi from Manipur, leaving her hometown to learn something about shampoo making. So,
Yes.
how did shampoo fascinate you, Lisa?
So I always wanted to make my own cosmetics.
Yeah.
Using Harple and not everything natural. So like when we buy something from the market, when we look at it,
Yeah.
it's all chemicals.
Yeah.
So
Not good for
of
skin.
instead of that, I want something which is like a food for skin, using all Harples and then natural ingredients. Yeah. Then
Right.
I wanted to learn more about cosmetics and get a greater knowledge, and that's how I come to know about this CSDO.
Wonderful.
So I read all the reviews,
Yeah. Okay.
videos,
Okay.
and I was very excited.
You must have seen me also in some videos, right? Okay, so you already knew me. That's
Yeah.
great. And how was your experience of shampoo making? Did you enjoy seeing so many videos and then after all coming to the class? Like, how was the staff?
Really good. So at first, what my expectation was, like there will be like a class, so many people, and the teacher will be teaching, but it's only just one-on-one, so it's really great.
Yeah, so you did like the way the teacher gave you 100% attention,
And
right?
she teach in a way even a layman can understand. Like
Okay.
yeah,
Very softly. And were all of your doubts cleared?
yeah.
Your
all clear.
expectation was fulfilled? Yeah.
Much more than more than what
the
I
expectation.
expected.
And out of 10, how would you like to rate CSTO?
10.
10 on 10.
Yeah.
Woohoo! And you'll be getting a certificate also. So in case if you want to sell your own cosmetics and make something authentic,
That's
good.
something more exciting.
Yeah, you can give organic products to, your clients or people there, because I definitely know in Manipur, because of the, non-veg food that people intake more, the skin has a lot of issues, especially the acne and pigmentation also. So, Lisa, what you can do is, my suggestion personally to you, as you have specially come up for shampoo making, you can also go for something for like creams, because each person is today looking for a good cream to apply on their face. Everybody wants to look good. So you can definitely recommend one of your friends, or you can also do something like this maybe in some time. Once you are expert with the shampoo, then you can invest in that, because people will be able to cure their skin
I'm
issues.
coming for cream again.
Oh, that's nice. So guys, she's already coming for cream. She's made up her mind. So I think if someone wants to go for the best cosmetic classes in India, then
suggest
CSDO. Yeah. So she'll be suggesting what?
CSDO.
Yeah, guys. So if you really want to do cosmetic making classes, then I think CSDO is the right place for you.
Yes.
Thank you so much for your valuable
Thank you
feedback
so
and
much.
all the very best.
Thank you.
Thank you.